So a lot of patients come in and they say, what is a cosmetic denture? They just think a denture is a denture. And really there's a huge difference between a regular denture that most patients will get from most clinics and denture mills and a cosmetic denture. With a standard denture, it's going to have standard plastic teeth in it. They're going to have an impression. And a lot of these are made in one day in a lab by a lab technician. There's not been any thing done to make sure that it fits your face, that it aligns with your face, and that the teeth are the right size color for your face. With the cosmetic denture, we back up a step. We take a look at the patient, we look at their needs, at their smile, their projection of their smile. We get cosmetic teeth, which are very high quality cosmetic teeth. We set those up in wax rims for the patient, for them to see. We actually do aesthetic gum tones. So we have a palette of different colors of gum tissue, and whether it needs to be light or dark or whatever. And we do what's called custom festooning of the gums, so that the gums have the natural characteristics of natural gums with highlights in it. So a lot of times when these patients with the cosmetic denture are smiling, even with a big gummy smile, people can't tell they've got a denture. And with the standard denture, it's just going to be a blob of pink stuff in there, okay? So the other thing with the cosmetic denture that we do, and the fun part about it for me, is the cosmetic facelift that we do. The lower 1/3 of the face, this dimension, when it's decreased because the patient's dentures are worn or they've lost bone, it sinks. So the nose and the chin get closer together. With the cosmetic denture, we come back in and we open up what's called the vertical dimension. It's the bite. We actually make the teeth taller in the back so that as the patient closes down, the nose and the chin don't come together. The other little trick that we do is that we will actually support the upper lip. We have patients coming in for dermal fillers. I tell the patients who get the cosmetic dentures, you're getting it for free for life. So by filling out the face, opening up the bite, we can take years off your smile, off your face. So a cosmetic denture done right is worth the extra time, the extra money that it's taken if you want a nice smile and you want to look younger.